Okay, we're going to go for a bacon butty now this morning, so we need a little bit of...
Somebody bacon?
No, not bacon, egg. Just a tiny smidgen of butter. Turn him on. And we've got these whopping organic eggs from out the garden. Look at the size of that one, Jay, that's huge!
I know. I think it might be a double yolker.
Oh well, we'll wait and see with that one. We'll have a go. Right. We'll put him in first. Got to be, ain't I? Yeah? Ooh, it takes some breaking. No, it's a single.
Is it?
Yeah, massive single.
To be fair, we don't put the eggshells back in the box.
Okay.
A lot of people do that.
And we got some silky ones.
You'll do all four, are you?
Yeah.
How's the blue one looking?
Yeah.
That look really,
God, these are tough, aren't they?
really dark one. Is that the blue one?
That was the blue one. That was
blue
that one.
Ah, okay. Ooh. That colour, right?
Ooh, have an egg butty. And that's where we are. You should probably guessed. There we go. Done. That didn't take long, did it?
No.
About half a minute. Okay, right, turn him off. That's it. Didn't film that, sorry, there we go. So, there you go.
Looks like he's on his way back.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? You know, oh, it's okay. Here we go. So what do you think of that?
Breakfast.
Beautiful.
Instead you go, it's going to go everywhere.
No, there we go.
Runny egg.
Is it?
Yeah.
Here we go. Breakfast for slobs.
Champion.
Alright, take care. Thanks very much. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That would be great. Look at the colour of that egg.
Organic eggies.
Yeah.
From organic chickens.
Ah!
You got it on you, haven't you?
Sock. Wow. Oh,
Nice though.
that down my chin as well.
Probably.
Wow.
Oh, we don't want to see that. Come on. Look away.
Number 2 coffee for Jane. There we go. Burner on. Put the beans in there so they don't get wet. And the coffee. There we go. On your coffee now?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. I'll do.
Try this.
Tea.
You know what this is, don't you? Katie, I'm going to get you for that. It's one of your herbal teas that tastes like roses or...
I don't think you're supposed to put milk in it.
Aren't you?
Ooh.
It's alright, but
Ugh.
it's like supping on a flower, isn't it?
Soap.
That's alright.
What's it taste of?
Dandelions? I don't know. It's like a sweetie. You know, one of these herbal teas. Not like your good old Yorkshire tea. Anyway, Coffee's here.
Okay.